The Seagull unmanned surface vessel system provides naval forces with significant tactical advantages in underwater and surface warfare. Featuring modular and switchable mission payload suites with advanced sonars and subsystems, the fully autonomous Seagull USV can be deployed for multiple manned and unmanned missions. The Seagull USV incorporates the fully autonomous Seagull USV can operate at cruising speed for more than 4 full days at sea and is equipped to perform extensive missions. The Seagull USV is armed with a 12.7mm remote-controlled weapon system, torpedo launching system and a non-lethal weapon system. It also features electronic support measures and electronic countermeasures, electro-optical sensor, expendable mine disposal vehicles and divers neutralization system.